Today, guys, let's throw some paddle tires on the Talion and get to ripping. Alright boys, today we got the Talion on Power Hobby paddle tires. They're not even that heavy, guys. Like, they literally match up with the stock tires of the heaviness. So hopefully, being belted, this thing will be able to run pretty good today. Well, doing the intro, my steering locked up on here, so there's another problem we just encountered. Sweet. Gotta turn it off, turn it back on. I know Don has had that problem with this. All right, let's see how they do on these Power Hobbies. Oh my God, I just busted myself. Woo! You see that? Yeah. Oh, and they sound mean. It sounds so mean, boys. And it's just throwing this dirty sand. It's still backflips, no problem. Yeah, buddy. No problem. We got an X-Max out here. We got Donis with his sledge. We're gonna get this good bass deck going here. Dude, I'm gonna hit somebody with it. Still backflips, no problem, dude. No problem at all. We haul. Dude, my steering locked up right on the intro of the video. Just like yours did. Yeah. Don't let my Arrma break you now. Right on the GPS.
Right out that gate.
Oh man. Little buddy over here running the X-Max. Last time everybody said to give your son a controller last time, remember? We had to remind people he was running the Max the whole time. Yeah. Now he's running the X-Max. He upgraded thanks to you guys. You're really putting that Life of Ballen GPS thing to the test today. Yeah. Oh my God. That was a flyer right there, buddy. I think he's wanting you to land on me, Dad. Yeah, through the trees. That was amazing. That's what we love. There we go. Oh, that sledge is rowdy, man. Too radically your own good. Big run up. Yeah. Nice. Yeah, look at these ruts we're digging in here, man. 30 feet deep right there. This thing was so mean. I'm over there somewhere. Yeah.
So you went down to 20 or 19?
20. Yeah, that's a good flyer right there. It's still backflip so easy with these. Oh my God, them concepts. Oh my God, them concepts. Those magmas balloons so big, dude. Oh my God. Oh, my phone's covered in dirt. Who would have thunk? Dude, that was crazy balloonage.
Oh yeah. He's just trying to do wing to lead already.
Let's see if we can get a big rooster tail here. That just was a wheelie. Oh, I'm a pancake. You could probably self-right with that thing when you blow a tire. I think we're so good, I don't think we blew a rod like Thomas did. You can just see the sand flying. Oh yeah, dude. Those are so much better. And the fact that your sledge probably weighs like 20 pounds. Is it the 2050 kV motor in there or the 1650? Yeah. That's what I'm putting in my Creighton. All the way over there, man. We're just throwing. Yeah, I figured that was coming. Mine shut off. Mine got a little hot. We're gonna let it rest. Yeah, she's toasty and you can smell the dirt burning on there, so. Still have steering, just no throttle. Have to let her rest. All right, here comes Donis in the sledge. Yeah, oh, yeah. He's got everything you can think about on that sledge there. M2 seat out. I got you, brother. Yeah. Tumble down the hill. I got you. Creighton, we've already blew a rod or something with these tumbles. Difference between a hobby wing running like 20 pounds of this. Oh yeah. He's not that hot at all. Dude, that's in the road. Yeah, in the road. You got it. You got that self-riding. But that's the difference right there, because his hobby wing, he's not even that hot. And me, I'm already overheated on Spectrum. See how it fares on the hill. We got another Talion. We got Brace's Talion out here. Let's see how the paddles fare against the big hill. Well, that was a wall. That was a wall. I hope the battery just came unplugged because something happened. Oh yeah, that's it.
It jacked up off the battery.
Yeah. The step up's not there anymore. It's just the wall now. Yeah. Oh, what'd you do? Not the sledge.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
Oh, okay. That's an easy fix.
Yeah, cup's gone, isn't it?
Oh,
yeah,
cup gone.
Cup gone. Tractor's cup gone.
Trash.
Yeah.
Come on, man. You're not making it look good for the best RC cars of all time. No, it's a wall. Still a wall. We used to have a step up here. We carved it out, though. Oh, something happened. You hear it? Front wheel. Something just went out right there. What happened? Oh. Oh, I think that cup just came loose in there, huh? Yeah, I still sling some dirt in front wheel drive. What'd you do? Oh, already. I'm front wheel drive now. What had happened is the bearing went out in the cup.
Huh?
Yeah, the bearing went out back here in the gearbox.
Too new for that.
I know, too new. Come on, guys, what are we doing here? Probably could take it out, put another bearing in and run it, but shoot. I don't hope it didn't mess up that input gear. So now that we're back inside here, as you can see, this is what happened. So I'm not really sure. I'm gonna take this bolt off and see what's going on here. Well, I guess first times I gotta get into the diff, because obviously, you know, there's no slack here to take this all the way off. So gonna have to get into the diffs for once. I found the problem, boys. The problem is that bearing exploded, and look at all of the balls inside of there. All of the balls from the ball bearings are inside of there. So I'm really glad that this stopped spinning. Oh, because it would have shredded everything. I think this is still salvageable. This gear doesn't look that bad, just real sandy. It did tear up my gasket, but I think we're good if I can just pull that out, hopefully. Yay, and just my luck, when I'm cleaning everything, a ball bearing gets stuck inside of the screw hole that has no top. So that's gonna be fun to get out. All right, boys, so after that weird explosion we had out here with the bearings in here and the ball bearings shooting everything, I put new bearings in here. The diff did look a little chewed up, but it rolls fine. But we'll see if we hear a nasty noise. Let's get back on it with the paddles and see how well these do out here. See if the Talion can last another round. Already upside down. Don't hear nothing from the diff yet. Love the paddles. Look at it just flying across the field. It flies so well. Still wheelies. Still does backflips. Oh, it landed right on that arm. Ow, but that was a double, but just didn't land it. I think we're good. I don't think we got Arrma arm. Oh, we blew, starting to blow that one out right there. Hopefully that doesn't cause us to have a bad day. Seems like this thing just blows tires with so much power. Look at this. Oh, I hit a tree. Uh-oh, did I just burn another motor? I have a feeling we just burned another motor up. Did I just burn 2 Spectrum motors in this? I think I did because motor wires are still plugged in. Boys, I'm just gonna run this video as it is, but that's 2 Spectrum motors down. One in the durability test, and then this one in the paddle tire test. Guess it's just time for a hobby wing, man. I don't know what to tell you now. Little bummed, that's all we're doing. Because those are still plugged in. Oh wait, no. I see right there. It melted itself. The wire literally melted itself. I don't know if you can see that. Look, melted off right there. Oh my God. Brothers, what a weird thing to happen. That's actually on the ESC end. I have another ESC we can throw on. That just needs to be resoldered, but dude, it broke. It broke off just right there. What the heck, bro? I mean, I know this is hot. The motor's still spinning, so I think we're good. I'm gonna get another ESC in here, we'll run it again. So here's the culprit with the Talion. So we're gonna put on the other ESC that I had from before and get back to running it. Finally, guys, we're gonna have the Talion back out here on the paddles, but this is just some janky old Fed that we have on here. Let's see if it even runs. Okay, I gotta plug it in backwards, but hopefully that'll save the motor just so we can finish off on the paddles, because you know we're cooking everything out here in this Texas heat. So let's go and finally finish this video. Oh yeah, listen to that sound. Hopefully it's doing enough. Running on the China Hobbies battery is always a 90C 5200. It's gonna be flawless today. Let's go try it. Did you hear that? That sounded like a dip. Don't stand directly behind it. How am I this dumb? You see the wall of roost I get right here. I mean, you can tell where it is just by the roost. Yeah, it still stands up. There we go again. Doing the cogging again. Why are we cogging so much, dude? Dude, every time we come out here on these paddles, it just cogs. Please tell me just the wire came loose or something, because Jesus. I'm so tired of these Spectrum systems if this one literally broke again. Well, there's your culprit, guys. Melted that one too. Literally is melting the Spectrum stuff. That's my second one now. Freaking melted. Those are so hot. Just melted right in half. I'm just gonna run this video like it is. I got enough with the paddle tires, dude, but these Spectrum systems, I don't know what it is out here in the Texas heat. I mean, my hobby wing, I just ran my hobby wing for like 50 minutes out here in the Texas heat, no problem. This 5 minutes on the paddles melted twice. So yeah, next time you see this car, it's gonna have something different in it, and I hope you enjoy that. We'll see you in the next video, guys.